Good everyone, my name is Ibrahim Taib Damlari. I'm a National Open University of Nigeria student in Abeokuta Study Center. I'm also a student of Computer Science, the Faculty of Science and Department of Computer Science. Today I'm going to be talking about an application which I created titled TextCount Application. What is this application all about? TextCount Application is a tool for effortless counting of words, character, and many more, which is very useful for everyone that want to know the number of text he or she has typed so far, whether you are a student or a professional or a professional crafting a report or a word content writer. If you care to know the number of text that you've typed so far or the number of text that you've written so far, this application is best for you. This application, the main objective of it will give you accurate number of text that you've written. Then the second objective is efficiency and time saving. It will save your time. It will save you from the arcade method of counting word line by line. Then the interface is user friendly and it is accessible to everyone who cares to know the number of texts they've typed so far. The scope of this project is done only for counting of texts and to display the total count of texts the user have typed so far. The methodology I use in creating this application is HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets, Python, which is a popular programming language we computer science and all programmer very familiar with today. Then the last one is called Django. Django is a Python framework which we use in a Python environment. The challenge I face when creating this application, the first one is electrification issue, which happens in my area, and the second one is working with a Python framework called Django, because Django is a robust framework that most computer or software developer use who are conversant with Python are using nowadays. The lessons I've learned during this project is that it gives me courage to create new things. It also gives me courage to help others. For example, I visited one of my friends who is teaching English language. He gave a student one assignment. He tell them to write an essay on a particular English topic that is nothing less than 250 words. The second day, these students find it very difficult to count the number of texts they've written so far, and I also see that this is an opportunity for me to come in as a student. I'm also a student. It's just that I'm doing my industrial training as a student to use my own skill that I've acquired during the industrial training to help my fellow students. Then the last thing is it serves as a means of empowering oneself. I see it that doing that, it makes me feel better. It adds to my knowledge, because during the coding and everything, I've discovered so many things and I've learned new things. In conclusion, I would like Nigerian government at large to include this TextCount application into Nigerian educational system, because it will be very useful for most students in secondary schools. Then it will be very useful for content writers, researchers, students, even teachers. It will be very useful for them to track the number of words they have typed so far. Now this is the showcase of the application. For example, if I type "you are welcome," if I click submit, now the number of words I've typed so far is 3, just 3 words. Now this application can be used to count a huge number of text. No matter how lengthy the text may be, it will help in counting these texts. Now I've copied those texts. If I paste it here and click submit, it will return with 273 words that I've submitted so far. So this is the beauty of coding and programming nowadays in Nigeria. So I pray that may God bless our country. Thank you for listening, and I pray that may God makes every one of us be blessed, and may our country be blessed. Thank you.